understanding the differences between deep and shallow parabolas in solar cooking. The sun travels 15 degrees per hour, so 5 degrees equal 20 minutes. Shallow parabola has got a long focal, deep parabola has got short focal. Hot spot is outside, away from the parabola. The reflection is below the pot on a narrow zone. Hot area is deep inside the parabola. Heat comes from the top and sides, less heat comes from below. It gathers in a larger zone surrounding. 20 minutes without moving, focal zone begins to move away. 40 minutes, focal zone has left the cooking area. Secondary focal points forming, some outside away from the parabola, potentially dangerous if hitting paper, wood, fabric, plastic, or someone's eye. Deep parabola still cooking after 1 hour without moving. After 2 hours without moving, 1/4 of sunbeams still hits the pot. Beams that miss the pot bounce off and diverge. Shallow parabola doesn't cook, but may set fire or injure. Shallow parabolas use single nail for alignment. Deep parabola use a full sundial, indicating up to 3 hours cooking, not moving. Safety is a major issue. Our 1991 parabola set fire to a newspaper bowl in 10 seconds. Book Heaven's Flame tells us of an umbrella-style parabola, the sun broiler, prohibited because of fires and blinding injury. A solar expert reported having warned a friend cooking on a shallow parabolas not to leave it unattended, and half an hour later a fire began. Swiss specialist reported needing to move the pot, his cotton cloth caught on fire instantly. Amateur leaving his TV antenna solar cooker unattended on the balcony found his sofa inside the living room partially melted. Accidents only happen with shallow parabolas, never with deep parabolas. The only safe shallow parabola are set up on sun trackers. Deep parabolas do not need sun trackers, neither for safety nor for orientation. Cooking benefits of deep parabola are many. Surrounding focal area makes tastier food, no sticking, no burning. Long cooking time without moving gives freedom to the cook, who can leave and only come back after the cooking's done. Again, no need for sun tracker. A customer of mine is a blind man. Putting both hands on each side of the cooking zone, he feels the heat and manages to cook on a regular basis. Only with a deep parabola can even a blind person reach correct focusing. It may not be very accurate, but sufficient for cooking. It is now clear that TV antennas are not made for moving sun, but conceived for a stable satellite. This is why they are so unpractical and dangerous. These parabolas need frequent resetting, constant tending. Food may stick and burn easily. They have created fires and blinding hazards in the past. Only the ones on solar tracking are safe. Deep parabolas, on the other hand, show many practical advantages. Total safety from blinding or fire. Food won't stick. Cook tastier, gourmet food. Freedom to not tend the cooking. Setting up only once. Plan ahead cooking time. These are the reasons to prefer deep parabolas for practical, tastier, safe solar cooking. Health issues with solar cooking materials. World scientists today are warning us about the dangers of plastic and synthetic materials on life and human life. Many solar cooking devices are made from synthetic materials. Our purpose is to offer healthy alternative choices for human health. Synthetic materials found in solar cooker, reflectors, survival blanket, and adhesive plastic mirror reflect 200 or mixing aluminum and PET. Terephthalate ethylene. Phthalates migrate with heat, are endocrine disruptors, giving diabetes, overweight, hormone-related cancer, behavior problem, cognitive delay, and neurodevelopment delay. Solution. Aluminum is the most abundant metal on the surface of the Earth. Today, aluminum mirrors will last over 15 years with 92% reflectivity, when plastic doesn't last 3 years. Instead of glass, polycarbonate, bisphenol A, BPA, health issues on human reproduction, breast metabolism, brain damage, and behavior. Cooking bags all contain phthalates and antimony. The damage is not dose-related. Very tiny amount may have big effect. The cooking bags often contain antimony way above the legal limit. Solution. Glass is safe for health. Can be double glazed for highly efficient heat insulation. Glass bowls, such as Pyrex, can replace plastic bags and will last forever. As insulation, styrofoam, polystyrene, found in all human fat, tends to migrate into the skin, irritating eyes, increasing tiredness and low brain focus, disturbing lung function and giving lung cancer, disturbing hormones, thyroid glands, and more. Multi-layer insulation, mix of aluminum and toxic PET. Solution. Sheep wool can handle up to 400 degrees Celsius. Cork is what used Horace Benedict de Saussure in 1780 and is still a great insulation and healthy material. Corrugated cardboard is a fantastic insulation that can come from recycling boxes. As framing, plywood, wood plus glue. All glues in plywood contain formaldehyde. Formal evaporates many years, gives cancer, burns skin, has got many uses among which medical use is now prohibited. Cellular plastic, PET, whole plastic, PET. Solution. Metal makes sturdy, long-lasting, waterproof frames. Today non-toxic plywood does exist. Black paint. Industrial heat-resisting black paint is petrol-based and may contain toxic metallic pigments such as lead. Solution. Black paint can use charcoal or iron oxide pigment and non-toxic mediums such as tongue, oil, or egg or bone broth. The future of plastic. Some bacteria have been found to eat plastic. However, the volume of new plastic trash is overwhelmingly tremendous. Some mushrooms can become an alternative to biodegradable plastic. Today's biodegradable plastic, based on corn or sugarcane, both have a high environmental price as they use large crop areas. Most funnel cookers are made of plastic. However, zero plastic exists, like the hot pot. Instead of cooking bags, let's use Pyrex glass bowls. Many box cookers use plywood. Non-toxic, zero-formal plywood does exist. Many parabolas hold plastic mirrors, while others, like the SK14, is full aluminum and zero plastic. Box cookers using styrofoam could easily be replaced by cork, sheep wool, and corrugated cardboard. Solutions do exist. It's up to us to use them. Plastic is cheap, but it's a short-term solution to a long-term problem. Solar cooking makers want to save the world. The question is, how? Today, plastic may not always be replaced, but when it can, let's replace it with durable, healthy materials. Thank you.